Are you a Python enthusiast, student, or developer who wants to write, run, and experiment with Python code directly on your iPhone or iPad? A Python coding IDE for iOS brings the power of a desktop development environment to your mobile device. Popular options like Pythonista and Pydo IDE are highly regarded. I've found these apps incredibly useful for quick scripting, learning new concepts, and even developing simple applications on the go, often without needing an internet connection. They typically offer features like syntax highlighting, auto-indentation, code completion, a console for output, and integrated debuggers. Many even include popular scientific computing libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations imposed by Apple's iOS sandbox, which means these apps run a local Python interpreter but cannot execute arbitrary system commands or directly interact with the underlying OS in the same way a desktop Python installation can. While they often support pip for pure Python packages, installing binary packages, like those required by some advanced data science libraries, might be pre-packaged by the app developer or unavailable. Many of the most feature-rich Python IDEs for iOS are paid apps, often with a one-time purchase or subscription model. Despite these considerations, for on-device Python development and learning, a dedicated Python IDE is an excellent and highly recommended tool. What's your thought?